Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. I'm Adini.
I'm Dani.
And I'm Hayat and we're from Mrsm Gajah. Today we're going to show our innovation project, Alge-Pack. Good day everyone. We are proud to show you our innovation project, Alge-Pack, an edible and biodegradable food wrapper made from brown algae. Inspired by the growing problem of plastic waste in our daily life, we want to create a solution that is simple, safe, and sustainable. Our project falls under SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production.
Alge-Pack supports Sustainable Development Goal 12, which focuses on sustainable consumption and production. By replacing single-use plastics with biodegradable edible brown algae, Alge-Pack can help reduce waste and pollution. It also encourages more sustainable habits in our food industry and among consumers. For example, in our everyday settings, our school canteen.
So, plastic wrappers are used everywhere, from packaging snacks to takeaway food, but most of them are used once and get thrown away, which cause long-term environmental damage. So, we ask ourselves, what if we can replace these old damaging plastic wrappers with something else that is more safe, natural, and even edible? So, this question led us to explore the use of algae, which are fast-growing and renewable source from the sea. So we conducted a survey to ask a few questions to the students of Mrsm Gajah and asked them, have they ever seen plastic waste scattering around the campus? And majority said yes, a lot. And we asked them, would they are willing to try a biodegradable and edible food wrapper made from algae, and mostly agreed if it's safe to eat. So now we're going to show you the methodology, which is step by step.
So here are the materials and apparatus that we need.
Weigh 10 grams of calcium chloride and 10 grams of sodium alginate.
400 milliliters of water on the calcium chloride and stir.
Next, put a few drops of vegetable oil into the sodium alginate.
Then pour 100 milliliters of water into the sodium alginate and stir. Use the mixer to mix the sodium alginate so that it becomes a smooth solution, and add water slowly to make it smooth.
Pour the mixture into a squeeze bottle.
Pour the sodium alginate mixture on a petri dish and even it out.
Put a solution of calcium chloride into the petri dish and peel the sample out.
Put the sample on a petri dish with a filter paper to let it dry.
You can also use juices to get the coloring and flavors that you want.
So after we conducted the experiment, we have obtained 3 samples of the Alge-Pack and to show you its structure and do a few tests. So we conducted a pH test on 3 of the samples, and it shows that these samples range between pH 6 and pH 7, which is neutral, which proves that it's edible and safe to eat.
So this is the sample before it dries.
As you can see, it is still moist, but the structure is still rigid.
So we will dry this sample under the sun for 1 hour to show you when it's dry.
This is a sample that we have obtained after 1 hour of drying. So, this can hold its shape and will not tear when wrapping snacks, and would still be flexible up to 8 hours.
It has a neutral taste and can be eaten safely.
And most importantly, this will break down naturally and act as a fertilizer after a few days. Not plastic. Plastic needs to take hundreds of years to break down or decompose. Alge-Pack shows that we don't need plastic to keep our food safe. By using natural materials like algae, we can keep both our health and the environment safe. Although Alge-Pack is best suited for dry and semi-wet food, we believe that with further development, Alge-Pack itself can improve its resistance towards oil and heat. We can also see potential for flavored and colored versions for brandings or food pairings.
In conclusion, Alge-Pack is more than just a food wrapper. It is a step towards a greener future. It offers a safe, sustainable, compared to alternatives such as plastic, especially for cafes, businesses, and schools. We hope that our project can inspire others to innovate using what nature already provides. Thank you. Bye.